Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and today Manny is going to chat with us a little bit about how we fertilize our landscapes once we've installed the plants.
We use three different types of fertilizer. Three. Uh, the first two that we use are granule fertilizers that um, are more of a slow release for the plants that are going to help them in the upcoming months while they finish settling in and getting established. And the other fertilizer that we use is a powder that we mix in with water to drench over the plants to help give them a faster release and helps give them more color and help them bloom. Uh, for the granule fertilizer, we have some equipment that helps us go around and cover the plants. And for the powdered, we mix it in with a bucket and then use the bucket to pour over all the plants.
This is Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and send them on to your friends and family. Village Green, growing plants, growing people, and growing relationships.